Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 7 civics chapter 6 understanding media. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying the video, and if you want to watch more such videos you can get the link of playlist in the end of the video as well as in description box. Viewers, if you have any suggestions please comment in the comment section and do tell me where from you are watching these videos. So let's start today's video. First question is one word that is used to refer several forms of communication is dash. Answer is media. There is print media and television, radio, internet connection. So there are many forms of communication. Next question is dash is the plural form of the word medium and it describes the various ways through which we communicate in society. Answer is media. Media is the plural form of medium. Next question is the technology that mass media uses keeps. Answer is changing. It keeps changing. Technologies keep changing. Next question is in democracy the dash plays a very important role in providing news and discussing events taking place in the country and the world. Answer is media. Media plays very important role in providing news. Next question is television has brought the dash closer to us. Answer is world. Television has brought the entire world closer to us. We can see the news and information all over the world on television. Next question is the dash offers a large variety of information to suit the tastes of different readers. Answer is print media. It provides different kind of newses uh, for different readers. Next question is a balanced report is one that discusses all points of view of a dash story and then leaves it to the readers to make up their minds. Answer is particular. For a particular story, all viewpoints of a particular story. Next question is writing a balanced report, however, depends on media being dash. Answer is independent. Independent media can provide news of all kind. Next question is when the government prevents either a news item or scenes from a movie or the lyrics of a song from being shared with larger public, this is referred to as dash. Answer is censorship. Government censor some unethnic news so that people do not panic. Next question is the media decides what to focus on and in this way it dash. Answer is sets the agenda. Whichever news is focused, people thought about that. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe the channel. If you have not subscribed it yet, do press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever new video is published. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.